In the vast and diverse world of animal life, few creatures are as peculiar and fascinating as Myxozoans. These microscopic parasites, distantly related to jellyfish, challenge our understanding of evolution, adaptation, and the boundaries between aquatic and terrestrial life. From their enigmatic origins in ancient seas to their surprising presence on land, Myxozoans offer a compelling case study in the complexities of parasitic life and evolutionary biology. The bizarre world of Myxozoans. Myxozoans are unlike any creature you might encounter in your daily life. These microscopic organisms are multicellular, but only barely so, consisting of just a handful of cells at any given point in their life cycle. Their diminutive size and simple structure initially led 19th century scientists to classify them as protists, alongside single-celled organisms like amoebae. However, this classification proved to be inaccurate as our understanding of these creatures grew. One of the most distinctive features of Myxozoans is their possession of polar capsules, structures strikingly similar to the stinging nematocysts found in jellyfish. While jellyfish use these organelles to catch prey, Myxozoans have repurposed them as a means of attaching to their hosts. This similarity provided a crucial clue to their true nature. Myxozoans are, in fact, highly specialized cnidarians, closely related to jellyfish, sea anemones, and corals. The confirmation of Myxozoans' cnidarian heritage came in 2015 when genomic analysis revealed their relationship to Polypodium hydroform, another cnidarian parasite. This discovery placed Myxozoans firmly within the cnidarian phylum, albeit as extremely reduced and specialized members. A journey through time. The evolutionary history of Myxozoans is as fascinating as it is perplexing. These organisms are believed to have evolved around 651 million years ago, during the late Cryogenian period, a time when much of the Earth was covered in ice, earning it the nickname Snowball Earth. This timing presents a paradox. Myxozoans evolved approximately 100 million years before the appearance of fish, which are now their primary intermediate hosts. To understand this apparent mismatch, we need to examine the Myxozoan life cycle. These parasites typically have two main life stages, the actinospore and the myxospore. In their modern life cycle, actinospores infect fish, where they develop into myxospores. These myxospores are then released and go on to infect annelid worms, where they develop back into actinospores, continuing the cycle. However, neither fish nor annelid worms existed when Myxozoans first evolved. This suggests that these parasites initially infected some other type of invertebrate host before adapting to fish and worms as they appeared later in Earth's history. This adaptability highlights the opportunistic nature of Myxozoans and their remarkable ability to evolve in response to new potential hosts. Conquering the land. Perhaps the most surprising aspect of Myxozoan biology is their presence in terrestrial environments. These microscopic relatives of jellyfish have been found infecting land-dwelling animals, including entirely terrestrial species like pygmy shrews. This discovery raises numerous questions about how these aquatic parasites made the transition to life on land. The presence of Myxozoans in landlocked areas, such as Hungary, further complicates our understanding of their distribution. One theory suggests that Myxozoans might infect earthworms, which are then eaten by shrews. However, this explanation is problematic, as pygmy shrews rarely consume earthworms. Moreover, the mechanism by which Myxozoans could have transitioned from marine environments to the underground habitats of earthworms remains unclear. Evolutionary strategies, reduction and enhancement. The success of Myxozoans in colonizing diverse habitats and hosts can be attributed to their unique evolutionary strategies. Like many parasites, Myxozoans have undergone genome reduction, shedding genes that are unnecessary for their parasitic lifestyle. This streamlining allows them to focus their genetic resources on essential functions. Interestingly, some Myxozoan species have taken this reduction to extreme levels. At least one species has even eliminated its need for oxygen, demonstrating the extent to which these organisms can adapt to their parasitic niche. However, genome reduction is only part of the story. While shedding unnecessary genes, Myxozoans have also enhanced certain genetic elements crucial for their survival and success as parasites. They have improved genes related to stress tolerance, energy metabolism, and host invasion. This combination of genetic reduction and enhancement is an example of mosaic evolution, a process more commonly associated with larger, more complex animals like mammals. The presence of mosaic evolution in Myxozoans challenges the traditional view of parasite evolution as a simple process of genetic downsizing. It demonstrates that even organisms with extremely simple body plans can exhibit sophisticated and complex evolutionary patterns. Implications for evolutionary biology. The study of Myxozoans offers valuable insights into several areas of evolutionary biology. Extreme adaptation. Myxozoans exemplify the remarkable extent to which organisms can adapt to a parasitic lifestyle, even to the point of losing fundamental biological processes like oxygen-based respiration. Host-parasite coevolution. The long evolutionary history of Myxozoans, predating their current hosts, highlights the dynamic nature of host-parasite relationships over geological timescales. Convergent evolution. The similarity between Myxozoan polar capsules and cnidarian nematocysts, despite their vast differences in size and complexity, provides an excellent example of convergent evolution in related lineages. Evolutionary plasticity. The ability of Myxozoans to adapt to new hosts and environments, including the transition to land, demonstrates the remarkable evolutionary plasticity of these organisms. Genome evolution. The mosaic evolution observed in Myxozoan genomes offers new perspectives on how genomes can evolve in response to parasitic lifestyles, combining reduction and enhancement strategies. Future research and potential applications. As our understanding of Myxozoans grows, several avenues for future research and potential applications emerge. Medical and veterinary research. Studying how Myxozoans invade and manipulate their hosts could provide insights into treating parasitic infections in humans and animals. Evolutionary model systems. Due to their simple structure and rapid evolution, Myxozoans could serve as model organisms for studying evolutionary processes in real time. Biotechnology. The unique cellular structures and molecular mechanisms of Myxozoans, such as their polar capsules, might inspire new biotechnological applications. Environmental monitoring. As parasites of various aquatic species, Myxozoans could potentially serve as indicators of ecosystem health in both marine and freshwater environments. Astrobiology. The ability of Myxozoans to thrive in diverse and extreme environments might inform our search for life on other planets, particularly in understanding how simple life forms might adapt to challenging conditions. Conclusion. Myxozoans, these microscopic jellyfish relatives, represent a fascinating intersection of evolutionary biology, parasitology, and ecological adaptation. From their ancient origins in Earth's prehistoric oceans to their surprising conquest of terrestrial environments, Myxozoans continue to challenge our understanding of life's diversity and adaptability. Their unique evolutionary journey, characterized by extreme reduction and selective enhancement, offers valuable lessons about the nature of parasitism and the myriad ways in which organisms can adapt to their environments. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of these bizarre creatures, we gain not only a deeper appreciation for the complexity of life on Earth, but also new perspectives on evolution, adaptation, and the interconnectedness of all living things. In the grand tapestry of life, Myxozoans may be microscopic threads, but they weave a story of survival, adaptation, and evolutionary innovation that spans hundreds of millions of years. Their continued study promises to yield insights that extend far beyond their tiny size, potentially influencing fields ranging from medicine to astrobiology. As we peer into the microscopic world of these parasitic jellyfish, we catch a glimpse of the endless possibilities of life's adaptability and the wonders that still await discovery in the natural world.